Hi there, Steve Gardner with eXp Realty, wanting to talk to you about 4 simple tips when you go to sell a home that are important, that are really important, which can affect the value and the ease of which you sell your home. Before we dive into that, once again, if you find these videos interesting, please check out my Facebook business page. I have them all there. You can like it, or you can subscribe to my YouTube channel where all the videos are as well. So let's dive into it. Great little blog on keeping currents matters, which I love. 4 tips on maximizing the sale of your home. And some of these sound like common sense, but some people, something you don't think about. Make buyers feel at home. I tell a lot of my sellers, when you go into a house, you want to declutter it, but you want to try to take a lot of the personal effects, pictures, things like that, awards, sentimental belongings, make it neutral, okay? Make the space tidy. Try to picture yourself in a model home and try to go from there. That really makes a big difference. If you have some oversized furniture, can make a room look really small. So you really should have an agent help you come by the house and possibly do a little staging. Okay, staging is wonderful. There are companies that do it. When I go on a listing appointment, I make lots of recommendations of what to do and what not to do, and also have staging companies that I work with that really can make a difference, and you can increase the value of the dollar value of the house with not a whole lot of work. Number 2, keep it clean, please. Simple. When you're on the market, it's difficult because people are going to be visiting your home, so it's hard every day to make the bed. Keep the dishes out of the dish, in the sink. Tidy up, toys put away, things like that. Curb appeal outside of the house. Make sure everything's pressure sprayed, clean, plant some flowers, that sort of stuff. The third thing is keep the availability on the buyers easily. So when you have a house, try not to make it where you can only see it once a day. You can't show it on weekends, that sort of stuff. You want to make sure that it is available and easy access to buyers. Okay. And then, of course, the last is price it right. I know in a seller's market, people think they can just put a price tag on anything, it'll sell. Well, sometimes it will. But if you price it aggressively, close to the market, you will have multiple offers, and you will actually drive the price up on the house. So sometimes putting it right where you need to be will actually help you, rather than overpricing it in a hot market and then having to drop the price. Then it gets a stigma attached to it, and you'll actually, in the end, get less for the house than you would have if you had priced it right from the beginning. So, all right. So, but once again, a real estate professional, realtor, come out to look at the house and give you these suggestions. And I've got a big list. This is a small amount, but I've got a huge checklist that I give my clients to go over, and we talk about it and the things that we need to do and don't do. And you also don't want to spend any money unless you have to. So a professional will tell you what you need to spend your dollars on and what you don't to get your house ready for sale. So if you found this useful, please feel free to reach out to me. You can also, once again, check out my webpage, check out my Facebook business page, and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, thanks. Take care.